Today, we are going to show you how to cut onions the Japanese way. Trim off the top and root, then peel the skin. Cut the onion in half, and we are going to show you various ways of cutting it. Onions can be cut along or against the fiber. Each different way of cutting changes the taste and the texture. Cutting along the fiber prevents the onion from losing its shape and gives it a better texture. Also, you can taste more flavor and it brings out the sweetness of the onion. This is the best way to cut onions for stews, such as curry, where you want to keep the shape. Now, let us show you how to cut vertical slices. Cut along the fiber. Ideal for deep frying, tempura, etc. Cut into quarters along the fiber. Mainly used for stews. Next, we are going to introduce horizontal slices. Cutting against the fiber is less pungent and the texture is softer, making it suitable for salad and other dishes. Cut out the core of the onion. Cut against the fiber. Mainly suitable salad. Cut against the fiber. Mainly used in stir fries. Now we are going to show you some other ways of cutting onions. Cut about 80% lengthwise. Cut from the side about 80%. Finally, cut all the way through. Great for making dressings, sauces, hamburgers. Cut in half horizontally and into 4 cuts vertically. Ideal for stir fries, skewers, soups, etc. Thank you for watching Samurai Kitchen. We hope you will enjoy trying the different ways of cutting onions.